So this is my HM130max, and we bought it with a trailer attachment for it. I plan to come back and do a video on my thoughts of the trailer and the assembly of it. But something I have come across that I don't see anybody saying anything about. I've got it locked in place here, and when you go to put fuel in, I'm just going to demo this. I'm not going to put any fuel in. But you get to climb up on this and watch where your feet go to get up here to put your fuel in. And something I was taught a long time ago with safety stuff at a plant that I worked at. They said, you know, the cost of fixing an issue is a whole lot cheaper than falling off of something. And the machine, it works fine. But if you look at the corners and all the sharp edges, and the fact that it does get wet too, it's slippery. It's, I thought there's got to be something better. So I wanted to come up with, I've been trying to think of a way to make this easier to do, and to allow me to work on the front, because you do have to get up there to work with the belts and the saw blade. But I don't want something that I have to alter anything. So what I found, and for this, you do got to take this guy out. I went on to a company that most people know, McMaster-Carr. I'm sure you can get these elsewhere. But I found these, which are stair treads, perforated plates. They have a bunch of names. But they come for the 150 max. They're these are 36 inches long when you order them, and they just fit right into the frame. And what I found was that is a 10-inch. This is a 12, and another 10. Fits right in here. I have the lap siding attachment, so I've got some stuff in the way right here that stops that from moving. And then forward of it, to work on the front half, this is another 10. And like I said, it does take the dog out of commission while it's in there, but it's easy to sit in and take out. And then this one is an 18-inch. And another thing I've got to do to it is I'm hitting one. Let me see. Maybe if I just turn it around. Hey, there we go. It doesn't appear to be an issue there. It was before. So now, I can unlock. If I want a nice platform to work on, go up here and do anything with the saw. These don't affect the operation of the sawmill as far as it rolling. I haven't cut any wood on it yet to see what that'll do, but you can, I look at having them on here as I need them and then taking them off. So if you're transporting down the road, I would take them all off and put them in the truck. But you can get a attachment washer for these and bolt them on permanently. but this makes it much simpler to access either side of the saw. You got to get up here to put water in. This is much simpler than trying to balance yourself on all these other little standpoints and not fall off. So with these in, like I said, it stops you from using the stops and the dog in here. But where I said I'm not going to attach these, it's just that easy to take it out, and you're good to go. You need it, you just drop it back in. And the way these sit in here, you don't really need to tie them down. They cannot go anywhere. They are captive in here, and they hold around 600 pounds per square foot with a 2-foot span. It says it's got like a 40 thousandths of an inch drop, so I don't think that'll be an issue on this. Yeah, that's for another shot. Okay, I'm probably out of camera.
No.
No. Okay, that was the easiest I ever got this top on. So I just wanted to put this out so people can see what it is. I will list these part numbers from McMaster-Carr down in the description. And that's all I got today.